Everyone who enters a photographic competition wants to win it. But it is only 1, 2 or 3 images which becomes ultimate winner. Have you ever wondered what it takes for an image to become judge's favorite? In this video, I will tell you what are the tips and tricks to win the competition, or at least get noticed in that competition. And if you stick to the end of this video, I will give you a bonus tip on what way you can read the judge's mind. The first and foremost thing is composition. It all starts with composition. When the image arrives first at the judges, what they look is composition. Always compose the image properly first at the right place in camera. But if you want to crop it in post-processing, crop it in such a way that you do not crop it more than 20 to 30% of the original image. That means around 70 to 80% of the original pixels must remain in that image. Another thing very important, if your original image is horizontal, do not crop it vertical. And if it is vertical, do not crop it horizontal. That means you should not change the format of your original composition. If that is done, then the chances are that image may not receive judge's favorite tag. So pay attention to this composition tricks. Number 2, light. Light is basically the essence of photography. Judges see thousands of well-lit images. It is the unusual light which catches the judge's attention, or submit those images under a different lighting condition and not a plain front-lit image. So always try to submit those images which has some play of light in it. Third parameter is sharpness. Even if your image is excellent, but if it lacks sharpness in the eyes or the head of that subject, then it is going to be rejected. Number 4, and which is very important nowadays, is creativity. Judges are looking at a distinct image, that image which is different from all the routine submissions. And now the bonus tip, look at the past winning images of that competition and also those images which were submitted in the competition in the previous 2 or 3 years, and then find out what type of images win the competition. But having said that, do not submit a similar image which has won last time, because even if your image is very good, the chances are that judges will just overlook that image because yes, okay, this type of image has won last time, so they will overlook it. So do not make that particular mistake. Number 2, some competition clears the name of judges while the competition is open. Look at the social media pages of those judges. See what type of images they are creating. Try to replicate that particular style. Not exactly, but make some subtle changes and improvise on that particular style and submit those type of images. Number 3, this is very important. Select some images, put it in one folder and show it to some expert photographer, the person who will give you a critical and honest review. If that particular feedback from that person is negative, do not take it personally. Take it positively and try to improvise on your failures. Thank that particular person for an honest and critical judgment. And then the last point, judges are humans. Competitions will be subjective. And remember, just because you are not won, it does not mean that your image was not good or you are not a good photographer. In the same way, if you have won the competition, that also does not mean that you are the best photographer. Winning should remind you that you have to keep working diligently and with the same passion. Failure must be a reminder that you have to work more efficiently and continue improvising on your technique. So that is all. But before I wind up, let me remind you that we have a competition of Orange City Photographers Club Nagpur. The entries are open and the link is given in the description of this video. All the best and keep exploring.